Customer spent an extra $300 on their water bill. They had a leak where the water comes into their house. So this was dug up, and we're going to go ahead and fix this. We're going to cut the galvy and cut out the PVC. I usually like to use a Schedule 80 male fitting and then thread a Viega fitting to that, but the supply house was closed since it was at 7 o'clock. So we're just going to use a reinforcement Schedule 40 and just thread it in, but not over tighten it, and do a leak check. So we were able to get them up and running. They're back to having their water on, and I'm ready to enjoy the rest of the weekend. Hope you guys have a good one.